Since Deanna gave you some general insights on gem water, let me give you a few more details on the concept and the kind of benefits you get from it. I'm sure you've heard the term water is life before, right? Well, this is kind of a cheap ad line because there's a lot more to it. See, scientists have discovered that water is one of the most fascinating substances on the planet. What you learned in school is that water exists in 3 phases: ice, liquid, and vapor. See, it's all about the water structure. And what changes water structure? Right, energy, like heat and cold. Some scientists even went as far as to claim that spoken words or words on a bottle can change the water structure. Well, we don't know about that, but we do have proof that stones change the water structure. If we take a closer look at the molecular structure of water, we can differentiate between 2 types: tap and bottled water and spring water. The first image shows you a water molecule out of regular tap water. Not very impressive, right? Take a look at the second image. It's the same water after it's been treated with a VitaJuwel product. Scientists say that water you'd find directly from a natural spring will look that way too. Which would you rather drink? An easy explanation of why the molecules of regular tap water look so dull is that your drinking water has to go a long, long way from the spring to your mouth. It's filtered and purified several times. Most of the time they add fluoride and other stuff. It goes through pipes that are really old. Sometimes it's transported a long way in trucks. And if it's really out of luck, it ends up in one of the million plastic bottles that people use every day and stays there for weeks or months before someone bothers to drink it. In any case, it's totally out of shape. Its energy is at 0, totally dead. And this is what it tastes like: lifeless water. Now, remember what Deanna told you about gems and frequency? It's good. The stones breathe life back into the water. It's kind of like a natural reanimation. And the cool thing is, you can actually taste it. Try for yourself. Pour a glass of your regular drinking water, then compare it to one that has been sitting in the VitaJuwel product for at least 7 minutes. Almost everyone can taste a difference in texture. And if you like this concept, you might want to try having a taste test with your friends. VitaJuwel has created a number of special gemstone blends based on the crystal healing concept that Deanna has previously mentioned. They have specialists who have done a lot of research on those ancient recipes, and they've reinterpreted those recipes and have brought them back to life. Still not sure if you believe in gem water? Give me one more minute to tell you about the natural cycle of water. Imagine a single drop of water rising as steam from a power plant, rising ever higher and forming a cloud with a million other drops, floating in the air, raining down to earth, sinking through multiple layers of rocks. Finally, coming back up again as fresh spring water. Then, as a stream flowing over stones and minerals, down a waterfall in the middle of a forest. Full of life, full of energy, fully regenerated. The stones regenerate the water. That's what happens in nature every second, and in your VitaJuwel gem water bottle and decanter too. No magic. Simple science.